see a swing 20th. Southdown College. Yeah. College will go to the left and the right. With Henry, he's live streaming.
But yeah, it's a short period of time, a relatively short period of time.
We live today.
Oh yeah, Devin, yeah, Belmont is first going Belmont, and then they don't want Belmont. Either Peter Blank or Memorial. Tuesday, March 25th is the 1-year anniversary of the channel facility. Way to go, man. I'm sure we'll have a stream on Tuesday.
Maybe I might snipe, who knows?
Sure was, so Ryan, great to see you. Yeah, it's David minus 1 minus 2 now. David Mississippi, hello, how have you been? What you do? Like
Go back. I hope that was fine that time. Close friend. 20th. Pussy is swing bucks for the cold. Yes.
I just had shawarma a couple days ago, Ronnie. Shawarma. The best shawarma.
I don't know.
Any takers? Yeah, that's right, facility. Yeah, from Niagara Falls. For my Kia as well. Alright, at Intelligence. How are you? Oh, it's Thursday. Okay, Thursday. Well, I meant opening day weekend. That's what I meant.
Yeah. Upcoming events.
But yeah, Thursday is the
It's done. I'm gone. I know.
But I mean, I'm happy to do it. It's just,
Yeah. Just would love, but
it's a lot.
not every 10 seconds.
I know.
I know. That's why I have
Yeah,
my
no.
night bot do it.
Yeah.
I don't have to get anyone to do it.
I like that in person.
Yeah.
Tiana. Yeah, it's pretty windy, Tiana.
Oh yeah. Well, especially here. Here's the when I hate it here.
Yeah. Hopefully the wind
Like
is
from the north.
Yeah, it would be nice, Tiana. This is Aura, which has a nice, nice skyline.
Oh yeah.
Shawarma Royal at Young Sundance Square. Anybody try it? Shawarma Royal.
No, but I seen it before.
Alright, Troy Walker, that's cool. You might do a Blue Jay.
Nice.
Vasili's on the bus home right now.
Oh, is he driving still? I saw him. He was on the highway earlier. I was on the highway. This. Oh, is this
Cool,
next
like
to Lattes? Oh, it's next to Meadows? Just like it.
It's an adder, yeah.
I'm gonna
Hey,
cheat.
Peter Thompson, great to see you.
I'm gonna cheat. Yeah, come on, okay. Come on.
Oh, you finished bowling in Fairview. It was pretty fun. Yeah, Alicia, that could be something that we could all get together.
But Fairview?
Yeah.
The Fairview.
Remember when you guys were born and I was watching?
Oh yeah, Fairview Mall, yeah, the Palladium, yeah. Yeah, we could ask Yoshi if Alex can come and spit. I'm down as well, but I just have to have it off. I usually work during the day, nighttime, so I'm free during the day, but
Yeah, we should go when like
on a
sometimes
weekend
Indo
maybe,
opens up again.
because you have.
When sometimes we are on a weekend.
Oh, OJ's restaurant, yeah.
Sometimes Jinder will be opening up at Fairview Mall.
Yep. Will
Yeah,
OJ be there the
definitely,
opening day?
Alicia. Yeah, for sure. I don't know when they're gonna open though. That's gonna be a lot of fun, Alicia.
We could ask OJ.
It really cracks me up when they have those characters on the screen. Those character images.
Oh,
Each player.
I was
Ronnie,
rewatching my
what do you
stream
think,
from that day.
Ronnie?
I was watching you bowl.
Ronnie, I'm not getting up for fun. I'm gonna work, Ronnie.
Yep.
I
5
don't
4
have to
a.m.
wake up at 4 a.m., but I just like to get it work. I don't have to deal with rush hour traffic. Let's go.
They playing today?
No, it's okay, Dan. No, it's all about. I always like. It's just. Like, I want to see us all grow, but maybe I don't have to mention it every stream.
Yep.
Oh, Tiana, your mother wakes up early like that, just like me. Shout out to your mom. And of course your kitty cat, Misha. Yeah, we'll definitely, that's gonna be a lot of fun, Alicia. I'm sure we can get like 10 of us, or we can get like a whole row of them.
We could just buy the whole lane.
Maybe that could be something for my birthday, I don't know.
Yeah, in April, right? April
19th.
19th.
It's
Yeah.
on Saturday.
I'm down. I'll book it off.
But, yeah.
Good job.
But I don't know, I kind of
Yeah.
want to be downtown too. That's the thing
Yeah.
on my birthday, so I don't know. I'll figure
Well,
it
we
out.
could go to a bowling alley down here. Maybe the Blue Young.
Oh,
Because it's the bowling time, right? Not
I'll figure it
full
out.
time.
I'll figure it out.
Bowling alley right next to the right? Jeddah, right?
Yeah,
down
that's
there.
right, Vasily. Yeah.
This is why we saw Ken doing the St. Patty's Day.
Yeah.
Saved him. Yeah, they're getting video though.
Yeah, I know Elko. I know most normal people. Yeah. But it's just like I like to relax. I don't like to be. Because my morning routine is, does take me a couple hours. So some of it maybe I can not mention, but a couple hours.
Yeah, it never messes me back. Joke.
very lively pizza man. Although it doesn't feel like it. Yesterday was even better. Yesterday was beautiful. Yesterday was nice sunny. That was the day that was sunny. Right. You know, I got
The reason I'm not hugging is because of Michael. Never talking to me. Doesn't like me. With Tim, never texts me back, so I'm chilling. Still hasn't come yet. No, it's how you can buy ads. Jackass dudes. video will probably go up on Friday tomorrow. So I'll be live till about 2:30. 4 hours of filming. Sunday at work, so we will run down. Like yesterday, but it's really good. Kept up to Taylor Street this week. And then just watching this guy from the side. About 2 minutes up, I'll be a bit. So if it ends, oh well. Maybe just happens. Usually does. I think that will happen here. And yeah, my favorite Cinebox is right there. And yeah, check it out. Add on the game mode. Shake Shack is running up tomorrow now. So you Definitely should have that's busy, so then that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you guys next time.